everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the CHIC Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly box subscription. If you guys want to see what I got in this lovely box, then keep on watching. So, I never know what month this is for because these are like bi-monthly boxes. So it's now June, so I don't know if this is like a June-July box or is this like a, I don't know. But we're in the month of June, so it's either June-July or May-June box, one or the other. I'll have it in the description when you guys see it so you'll know which one it is. But this is one of my favorite subscriptions boxes just because it's all makeup. That's right, you heard me, an all makeup subscription box. Like a lot of these makeup brands, they claim to be a makeup subscription box. We ain't saying any names over here, but they know who they are. And it's like you open up the box and you're like so excited, opening up my makeup subscription box, and it's all skincare. That's right, you heard me, all skincare for a makeup subscription box. I mean, who would have thought that there would be like actual makeup in a makeup subscription box, right? You would think, but no. So that's why like I like boxes like these where it's like all makeup because that's what I enjoy trying. Like I like trying new makeup. They're not cheap, but yet they're not expensive. The box is $34.99, which is not too bad. I want to say you get, yes, I wrote it down. 5 to 6 full-size items for $34.99. That's not too bad. They give name brand makeup and they give like a drugstore makeup. So I like that because you get to try. Not everybody can afford to replenish. Like let's say you get like something name brand like NARS, which is something I've gotten in their boxes before. But maybe like you're young, like maybe 12 to 16 and you can't really afford, you know, to spend on a NARS product. They do put some drugstore stuff in there too. So like if you can't afford the name brand stuff, you can still fall in love with a drugstore item and be able to replenish it. So I like that you get to try a little bit of everything, but it's still makeup. And I love that the boxes are pink, my favorite. And I mean, even though it's not like cheaper like some of the other subscription boxes that's in the $20 price point, this is not every single month. So you're not like going ham every single month spending like $34.99. You can still save because it's every other month. So that's kind of cool. This is what the inside of the box looks like. We have like a little beautiful card on top, which is nice. And then they tell you everything that was in the box, but obviously it's only, 5 to 6 items, and there's like 10 items on here. So it shows what you could have got, but you're not gonna get all of the things on this card. So this is what I got. You guys got the first sneak peek. Oops, something always falls out. And like I was saying, NARS, because I feel like we always get something from NARS in these boxes, but I'm excited to see what I got. Alrighty, so let's see what we got here. So you do get to choose like one item, I think I want to say. 1 or 2 items. I'm not really sure. You do get to pick. Sometimes it becomes a blur for me. I apologize because I have so many subscription boxes that I sometimes forget like what each thing does because every box is different. But I know we do get to pick some choices, and I think I want to say I picked the setting spray, the Revlon Photo Ready Prep and Set Refresh Mist. I picked that, so that was my choice. And I want to say I picked the lipstick too. I want to say, do you get 2 or 3 choices? I want to say maybe 3 choices you get to pick. 3 out of the 5, I want to say. So let's see here. So since I showed you the lipstick, this is from the Rainforest of the Sea lip collection. It's funny because I just finished filming my Tarte custom kit box that I did, and I got 2 things from the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea collection. So now I have 3 things from the collection. If you want to see what the items I got from this, I'll link down that custom box down below so you guys can take a look. But I just have these on the table because I just finished unboxing that custom kit. So let's see what else I have for this kit now. I have I think a couple of their lip colors already from the custom kits, actually, the Tarte custom kits. I do not have this one. So this is what she looks like, which it does look very light. So it's a pale color for my skin tone, but my mindset behind it was I was gonna do like a brown chestnut liner, and this will be like a nice pretty nude for the inside. Because sometimes I don't want to do like a pink nude. So I think this will be pretty. I have to try it out and see. So that was that. So those were my 2 choices for that. And like I said, this box is all makeup, so it's very like hard for me not to like love the box, because I mean, who doesn't love, like I love anything makeup. Give me anything makeup and I love it. Then I got this beautiful, is this a highlighter? It says 270 Illumine, oh, it's an eyeshadow. Look how pretty, guys. This is beautiful. I mean, it looks a tad light though, so I don't know. I don't know. It looks a little light. I have to see if I'm going to open this or give this away. It does look a little light. Everything looks different in a picture than in person, and that's the only thing about mystery boxes. Sometimes you really don't know what it's going to truly look like. But if it doesn't work for me, I could always put it in my kits. But we'll see. We'll see. All right, the next thing, I think I chose this. This was a NARS, it says Me Kabuki brush. So let's see what this is here. I chose this too. So you do get to choose 3 items, because I remember seeing this. So I got a nice, ooh, it feels nice. Yes, you could use it for blush. You could use it for bronzer or powder. I'm very excited for this brush. This is what the brush looks like. It looks kind of cool with the little things on it. The brushes are very like different and innovative. So I got the brush. And then, did I choose this too? Velvet Shadow Stick. Let's see what this is. They always have good choices, but your girl always is late to the show, late to the party. Because by the time I get on the site, like everything is like unavailable, 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 unavailable. And it's like everything that nobody else wanted. That's the choices I get to pick from, which is like slim picking. But that's what it is when you know, I work, so I'm not constantly sitting by the computer waiting for the choices to go up. But it's okay, you know, beggars can't be choosers when it comes to these things. At least I got to choose between something, even if it may not have been like the best stuff out of the things that they were giving away. This is a shadow stick. It looks like a neutral color, which I mean I could use just to like throw on my lid and to go as a base for under my shadow. This is called Nepal. So very pretty, very pretty. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is supposed to be 5 to 6 full-size items. I got 5 items. These were my 5 items. Let me see. What do I feel about this box? What would I rate this box? I would give this box a 7 out of 10 just because it was, I don't know, nothing here is like exciting me that I had to have. Like, will I love to try all of these items? Absolutely, absolutely, 110%. But I'm just like not excited about it. To be honest with you, maybe for trying a brush because I love brushes, but yeah, 7 out of 10, not too bad, not too bad. What did you guys think about my box? Does any of you guys have Chic Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you do like my channel, you like my videos, you stay to the end and you like my content, then do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff for your girl. And that's really about it. That's really about it. Next video, I'm gonna do one more tonight, and then I could call it a night. I'm gonna do my Ipsy Glam bag, so stay tuned for the next video. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.